Hello everyone, welcome. Thanks for joining us. In our last lesson, we started a new topic in this course, and that topic is descriptive adjectives. Remember that adjectives describe nouns. They are added onto the noun. It's actually built into the word adjective. Adjective comes from the Latin, and the ject part means to throw. It's from the Latin. It's a form of the Latin word to throw, and add literally means to. So we literally throw an adjective onto a noun, so adjectives describe nouns. And the adjectives also agree in gender, and we're talking about grammatical gender, whether or not the noun takes el or la. Remember, el is masculine, la is feminine. If the noun refers to a person, then the biological and grammatical gender will agree. But most of the time the gender is just arbitrary. Again, if it takes el, it's masculine. If it takes la, it's feminine. When we're talking about number, number means whether or not the word is singular or plural. So they have to agree in grammatical gender and in number with the nouns or the pronouns that they describe. So in our last lesson, we looked at adjectives that end in O or OR, and they have four forms, like the adjective for tall. It has four forms: alto, alta, altos, altas. We looked at some examples, and we are going to take the explanation a little further in this lesson. So adjectives that end in E or a consonant have the same masculine and feminine forms. And keep in mind the same masculine and feminine forms in the singular, and the same masculine and feminine forms in the plural. So basically you only have two forms. The example here is inteligente, which means intelligent. Notice you only have two forms. You have the singular form and the plural form. The singular form inteligente will apply to a masculine, grammatically masculine noun and a grammatically feminine noun at the same time. And then inteligentes applies to a plural, masculine or feminine noun. So let's look at some examples. If I want to say the intelligent man, then I will say in Spanish, el hombre inteligente. El hombre inteligente. Remember, the H is silent. If I want to say the intelligent woman, then I use the same form, la mujer inteligente. Now the plural forms, the men. If I want to say the intelligent men, I have to add an S to the singular form to get the plural adjective form. Los hombres inteligentes. The intelligent women, las mujeres inteligentes. And there you have it, only two forms. Remember that the adjective can be separated from the noun by the verb ser. So I could say something like, the man is intelligent, el hombre es inteligente, the woman is intelligent, la mujer es inteligente, the men are intelligent, los hombres son inteligentes, and the women are intelligent, las mujeres son inteligentes. Remember that you can also use pronouns instead of nouns, so I could say, él es inteligente. Instead of el hombre es inteligente, the man is intelligent, I could say simply, he is intelligent, él es inteligente. She is intelligent, ella es inteligente. They are intelligent, ellos son inteligentes. Notice the plural form. And they are intelligent, the feminine plural form, but the adjective is still the same. Ellas son inteligentes. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it if you would give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.